Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So in this video we are going to know this year's, that is UGC NET 2022 environmental science paper answer key already have been released, and what you can challenge or you cannot challenge, you should not challenge, I will be telling you in this video. And two very important things I will be telling you in this end of this video, so you should wait for that. It is very important, as I am repeatedly saying. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So before starting, I would like to say that many students are thinking that all the questions, almost most of the questions are wrong. So they are going for each and every question, they are having doubt. But I will tell you most of the questions which you are having doubt, I will clear this in this video. So first, this question was asked by several students that whether this is correct or not. Yes, this is correct. The answer key is giving correct, because the question is asking which of the following is correct for atomic absorption spectroscopy, AAS. So here option 3 will be correct, that is A, B, C, D, E. All the statements are correct, because as per the AAS technique, we can analyze single element at a time. It has low linear dynamic range, and it can analyze mercury in vapor phase. It can analyze arsenic in hydride form, and it works on the principle of Beer-Lambert's law. So these all things are very correct as far as AAS technique is concerned. So no need to go for raising question against this. So this is true, and this answer is given correct by the UGC. Coming to the next question. So this is question ID 675, in which the question is asking a financial mechanism through which developing countries would be rewarded for emission reduction achieved by taking action to reduce deforestation and forest degradation. From here question itself, it is giving the hint that reduce deforestation and forest degradation, that means it is asking about the RED plus or RED initiative, that is reduced emission from deforestation and forest degradation to help the developing countries in order to achieve the emission reduction. So this one example I have given, World Bank supporting the Republic of Congo in signing agreement to reduce carbon emission and preserve the forest as per the part of what? As per the RED plus. So this was in 2021, just for the reference I have added. So option 3 will be correct here, but UGC has given the option as option 2. So as per me, it will be option 3, that is reduce emission from deforestation and forest degradation. Let's go to the next questions which people are having doubts. Question ID 703. So here the thing is statement 1. It is telling about halogens are used as fire extinguisher, absolutely correct, and are bromine containing hydrogen free substance and are involved in catalytic destruction of ozone in the stratosphere. This statement is absolutely correct. Statement 2 states, in order to protect ozone layer in stratosphere, use of CFC was globally replaced by HCFCs and HFCs, followed by halogens after Kyoto Protocol. So this is actually a bit confusing statement, and the answer key given by UGC is both the statements are correct, but I would say that statement 2 is a bit incorrect, because here in place of Kyoto Protocol, it should have given at least like Montreal Protocol or Kigali Agreement. So here it is confusing the statement. So statement 2 is false as per me, but statement 1 is correct. So I will go with option 3, that is statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So option ID 2811 is correct as per my knowledge. Coming to the next questions, question ID 680. So this is also absolutely wrong question, I would like to say. So which of the following section of the Indian Penal Code refers to making atmosphere noxious to health as a punishable offense? So if someone is making atmosphere noxious for the health of other people, it is a punishable offense under the Indian Penal Code of section 278. Yes, but UGC is telling 288, and in all the 4 options it is not mentioned about section 278, but as per Indian Penal Code it is as per section 278. So none of these are correct. So if you are going for challenging, you should have gone for none of these options are correct. So here this is the thing you can read. So no need to know these things more deeply in this video. I will discuss in some other video. Let's go to the next question, question ID 686. This is also wrong answer key given by the UGC. So here it was asked which one of the following is correctly matched pair. Biodiversity Convention, Basel Convention not. It is about what? Transboundary movement of hazardous waste. Global warming, Montreal Protocol, again not. Climate change, Kyoto Protocol, it is correct. But here it was giving that option 1 is correct, so it is not correct. Option 3 will be correct, climate change related to Kyoto Protocol. Option ID 2743 will be correct. And groundwater pollution, Ramsar Convention is not also correct. It is related to wetland conservation. Let's move to the next question. Yes, question ID 666. It is also given wrong in the answer key released by the UGC in the first answer key release. Which process facilitates conversion of raw fat into biodiesel in the presence of alcohol? This process we all know it is trans-esterification, where for example methanol is used mostly in the presence of alcohol, that is the methanol alcohol. So here it has given 2663 as the correct option, that is torrefaction. It is not correct. It will be trans-esterification, that is option ID 2664. So now we will see most important points which I will tell you regarding the answer key challenge. I will say that now no need to challenge because most of us have already challenged all these questions which I have discussed here. So no need to go and waste your money so unnecessarily, because many of us have already invested our money. So no need to go now and challenge the questions. That was my request. That is my request, because many of us have already done these things. So no need to worry, because everyone will be benefited if the NTA is accepting this thing. So no need to go for now challenging any option. In the last exam in UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021, when the NTA releases the final answer key, some answer key will be having percentage in the answer column, answer key, and some will be having and in the answer key. But correct option ID will be having their correct option ID like this, for example 1825. But where it will be given percentage, that means marks will be awarded to all those who have appeared for that paper. But if it is given and, then the question not considered for evaluation. So these things will be decided by NTA whether they are giving you the marks to all or they are dropping the question. So dropping the question mostly happens when the answer keys are not at all correct. That means, for example, in the case of what? In the case of this thing, this Indian Penal Code, all the answer keys are not correct. So this they may drop. But here when the answer key are correct, when you have given the supported documents, then they will change the correct option ID in the final answer key, and where they will think that marks will be awarded to all the candidates, then they will make this mark, that is percentage symbol. Now one more thing I would like to say, that before this panel, this thing is gone, that downloading your answer paper, that is your response sheet, you must download it before it goes. Yes, this is important, because God forgive if you are not getting JRF by some little less margin or net, then you should analyze your paper, because that will give you the idea that where you lagged, what is your important areas to focus on. So you must download all the answer key, your individual answer key, before the time goes out. So hurry up and download the answer key first, so that you can recheck and cross verify where are your lagging points and what you can improve. So these things will go as soon as NTA removes that. So before that you should download it. This is the important point. So I hope this was a bit relieving video for you, and wait for the results. We will try to make the expected cutoff video very soon. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling and believe in yourself.